Hey everybody, Zach here. Welcome back to the channel. It's time for another Shiba Inu update, and we're going to address a FUD article talking about why might this happen to Shiba Inu coin in the winter, along with Dogecoin and SafeMoon. There's a FUD article out here. You can see it right on screen. Dell Crypto's already responded to it. Dell's done a pretty nice job covering a variety of different crypto assets on Twitter. He says, FUD opinion piece like this gets me very excited. This looks like the same old media driven manipulation we have seen many cycles before. He says SHIB, bullish. And this is an interesting take because we did see a lot of similar articles when Shiba Inu rose to prominence, right? But one thing I will say about the article that I agree with is that social media influence is huge for these social slash meme slash community coins, right? Like Doge and SHIB and SafeMoon being mentioned on social media and just having popular press coverage is big for these assets. And I think that coverage will come in time here in quarter number 4 as we gear up for a big push in the crypto markets. But I like Dell's take that I look at it as FUD as well, seeing that this article is just what we need in terms of getting people fired up about the future of these community coins. So let's bounce into this article here. Just came out a few days ago, a couple days ago. What might happen to Shiba Inu coin this winter? Okay, Shiba Inu coin predictions for the winter. It says expert Liam Andrew Wright, a writer for crypto news site Benzinga, doesn't see a great winter ahead for some cryptocurrencies like SafeMoon, Doge, and Shiba Inu, since they rely on social media hype and mentions from prominent figures like Elon Musk. Oh, the coffee is good today, by the way. It's brilliant. I'm not saying that Doge, SafeMoon, or Shiba Inu are baseless projects without any strong fundamentals. I'm just saying that these projects have risen due to social media hype and community momentum rather than their fundamentals. I agree. The fundamentals of the project are only discussed in hindsight on subreddits for the most part. Doge is the epitome of a hype play, and without Elon, it would unlikely be in the place it is today. I agree with that to some extent, right? Wright said meme-based cryptocurrencies might suffer a sharp fall if there are more investments in the near future. People will invest in crypto tokens, but then sell off their earnings, creating another crash. This is similar to what happened after cryptocurrencies peaked in September or spring of 2021. Okay. Is Shiba Inu coin going to rise again? One prediction from Investing Cube suggests the coin will face resistance for a little longer before it begins to climb again if there's a mention from a prominent figure like Musk. Such a mention could easily be enough to swing the prices of these digital assets by double digits in the matter of days. Okay, so Shiba Inu coin has risen about 60% in recent weeks after it hit its low value ever in July, that 5.5 level. But the price shows there is still some support for the crypto token, which has seen a jump in movement over 25-day and 50-day periods. All right, we'll scroll down, and that's the end of it. So basically, the takeaway here is Shiba Inu coin and SafeMoon and Dogecoin, they need the social media presence. They need the mentions from Elon Musk. And yes, that is very true, but to say that that's not going to come in the winter, that's just spreading FUD. Who's to say it's not to come in the winter? Who's to say that it's not going to come this month or next month? As the market continues to turn green, I love all of these community coins, all three of them. SHIB, Doge, and SafeMoon. I think they'll all move higher with the overall market. Now, people are going to look, I think, at SHIB first and foremost because it's the highest market cap outside of Dogecoin. If I'm looking at the ones outside of Doge, SHIB is number 2. On coin market cap, it's number 2 in my book. It always has been. That's the one I've always talked about here on the channel. Now, let's take a look at a few things around the crypto space. Crypto Fear and Greed Index. We're down, back up to 75 today, so expect maybe a minor pullback today, maybe a flat day. I could see that happening. There were some good buys here early this morning. Cardano was down to 257, by the way. Ethereum down to 3,100. Bitcoin 46 and some change. So we could see a little bit of a pullback based on what we've got here with the Fear and Greed Index showing a 75. And I don't know what happened there. Lost internet for a minute? We'll see what happens. Okay, let's bounce over to TradingView. This is SHIB's look here. We're at the 717 level. Last time we bounced right off this level, so this is a pretty good buying opportunity in my opinion. It shows here the low end is 701 here in the days range, the high end 764. So if you're looking to add to a position, not a bad time to do that in my opinion. I am just holding steady though. If you want what I'm doing, I'm just holding. I'm staying here. I'm staying put. I'm not doing anything crazy, buying or selling or anything like that. Only selling really would be crazy at this point. But let's take a look at all the technicals here. Pull this out. Okay, so strong sell here in the 1 day. Let's dial it back 4 hours. We've got just a sell, 2 hours. Same thing, 1 hour. Yes, sell, getting closer to neutral. 30 minutes is a sell, 15 is a sell, 5 sell, 1 minute sell. So indicators showing it's a sell right now. Like I said, I'm not selling, I'm just holding. So let's bounce over to the Patreon too. Forgot to mention this. If you want to join our private community, get more insider access to what's going on in the crypto space, have access to me. I'll take a look at your portfolio for you. I'll tell you this, we've got a ton of great members over there. Shout out to a number of you who are just always active. This morning, they are up and at it. We are up every day talking crypto, and you could just have so many golden nuggets by jumping into our Discord and joining the conversation. So we'd love to have you over there and join us. All right, let's take a look at number of holders here too. As this price goes down, last night we were at 644,000. We're still right there. So we're not losing or really gaining at this point. We're still just hovering around 644,000. We have seen quite a bit of transfers here, 3 million transfers. You can see here transfers happening each and every minute up to the second of SHIB right now. So I love the activity. Do I want to get more holders here? Yes, because we did the math, right? Shaitoshi talked about, you know, the number of holders we'd like to get to 1 million by the end of the year. If we were to do that, and shout out to T Money, I believe it was T Money who did the math on this in our Discord, we'd have to average around 2,300, 2,500 new holders per day. So we're behind that right now. So we're going to need a big push, 3, 4, 5,000 per day for a couple weeks here. Here's the thing, even if we fall a little bit short of the 1 million holders plan, I still think it'll be good if we just show constant growth over the next couple months, right? And you know what they say, you know, set that plan really high, right? And if you shoot a little short, you're still better off than you would have been if you didn't set that bar higher, you know, than you should. So I think it's a really good mile mark. I think we'll get there sometime next year, in my opinion. I think early next year is when SHIB will get to that 1 million holders. But here's the thing, it can change in a hurry. Something positive could happen, one big mention, and then a bunch of people are on board, and you know, we gain 8 to 10,000 over a couple days, and another 5 to 7 over a couple days, and then we're right back on track, right? So let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section about all of this in this video. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you in the next video.